Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking at this slime standard tire inflator. So I got this from a local store, but you can get it on Amazon also. It's about $25 or so. So this is a pump to inflate your tires, and it also comes with a couple other things where you can like inflate a ball and tip here and the ball tip. So I guess it's more like for inflatable beach things or stuff like that. It does come with the LED light here, which is kind of nice for nighttime. So I guess the important part of the tech specs here, it takes about 8 minutes to inflate a tire. So the hose is 2 feet long, the power cord is 10 feet long, and the power source is 12 volts, obviously in your battery. So then you got a gauge and a light. So it's very nice that it has this gauge so you can see when to stop. Anyways, let's pop this thing open and see what it looks like. Alright, so it comes just like this. Obviously I've used mine, that's why it doesn't look perfect. And that's the size of it. So here's my hand and the size of the compressor. It's not very big, which is the big plus. Here you got the big green button that when you push it, it comes on. So the light actually turns on when you turn on the air compressor. So they'll actually, wait, that's not right. Whenever you plug it in, the light comes on. So if you plug it in, the light will automatically come on, and then you push this to pump the air. So if you needed just the light, you could plug it in and it will work. So here on the back we got 4 feet, and these little rubber feet are actually very good, designed very well, because not only do they have a rubber piece here, but they have a little nub, a rubber nub that sticks out. And because of this nub, it doesn't, like whenever it vibrates, it doesn't travel everywhere. It just, most of the time it just sits in one spot. So I think, you know, those little feet here do a lot of that job. So here's where the 2 tips live. This is kind of not a great thing because they fall out easy, because I can just touch it right here and it comes right out. So, that's okay, I guess. I mean, as long as you're not constantly hauling around, you shouldn't lose them. But there is a potential of losing these, so that's kind of not a great design here. So here we have an opening, and this is where the hoses and the wires live. So this is what the air pump tip looks like, and it's definitely high quality. It's all metal, and there's like a spring here that's metal spring. So it's definitely nice. Anyway, so there's about 2 feet of this stuff, and then we got 10 feet of cord here, which is a lot. So, and that's all you got in there. Then it's just empty. I had a Ford F-150 with pretty huge tires, and I pumped it with this, and it would get warm and actually pretty hot, but it'll still pump. So I wouldn't recommend this pump for huge tires, because I think it'll probably burn out eventually. So this is more for normal cars and the portability of it, put it in the trunk kind of thing. So we're gonna head out to the car, and I will turn it on so you guys can hear at least how loud it is. But you know, it is pretty loud. So alright guys, so we're outside and we're gonna try to pump maybe the tire some and those couple balls over there. So for the balls, obviously we'll use this little adapter here. Let me show you how easy it is to put this on. So you just turn it until it gets tighter. That's it. And there it shows me how much PSI I got in the tire. And that's how loud it is. So it is pretty loud, but as you can see, it's not going anywhere because of those feet. It doesn't move around much. It'll move a little bit till it finds a spot, and then it just sits there. So that's kind of nice. So let's pump up the balls there. Alright, so the ball only needs 9 psi, 7 to 9 psi. So we're going to try to stay under 10 here. So I'm going to I put the needle on here. It's pretty easy, it just screws on there. So now we're just going to poke it. Turn it on. And there we go. 9 psi, maybe a little bit more, so it's pretty quick. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you want to get one of these, I'll leave a link in the description. Thanks for watching this video. Check check out my other videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.